Alrighty, good morning, guys. It's Dave Santarelli from Breaking Chart Alerts and Santarelli Trading Exchange. So first things, guys, it's probably going to be a pretty slow day until about 2:30 once we see what Powell has to say. Have a little bit of a pullback here this morning. I expected that. We'll see what happens around 2-ish here. BP's in the green here, just opening bell here. BP's in the green. And as you guys can see, Amgen had a nice little climb here in the pre-market, down about 14 cents now, but it was just in the green by about 50. Today's just going to be a day of patience, discipline, and watching the charts here for any types of moves. So if we do see anything moving here, guys, we're going to, let me lower this here. All right, so if we do see anything, obviously we're going to jump in, make some day trades, especially if we find something down here at the bottom, down here at the live news wire. If we see something down here, I definitely want to find a good day trade setup that we could jump in and out of for some quick gains. But our swing trades here that are out until June, July Expo, those we're just going to have to wait on a little bit longer here. They still look good. They're still in breakout momentum. Just a little bit of profit taking. Dow's now in the green here, so we'll see if we start to get a climb in the afternoon. I think we will after Powell. I don't think they're going to do anything crazy or say anything crazy this afternoon. They don't want to spook the markets. So let's see here. There's Amgen. We have the Amgen going out to April 16th. Take a look at BP. We're going to go down our trades now, so let's take a look. Here's BP getting a nice climb here off that 10. So we didn't get the confirmed candle after that break below that 10. So as long as we hold this, start that climb, I might add to that BP trade once we break about 26.50. So with that being said, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go up to my tools, go up to my alerts here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in BP, and I want it to alert me if she's above 26.50. So 26.50, because if she breaks that 26.50, she's coming off of support there and starting that next climb. So I definitely want to add to that trade if she breaks that 26.50. So, okay, there we go. We just added that. Let's see. Bank of America's having a nice day, up about 40 cents here. Link 1. Let me put this on link 1 here. Here's Bank of America almost at new highs again in this bomb cycle. Breakout momentum. Boeing's still climbing. Holding that 250. XCC getting a little climb there. Goldman Sachs is having a big day. Still holding above that 10-day. So here's a daily chart on Goldman Sachs. I've been talking to you guys about that for a bit. She's still climbing, holding above that yellow 10-day simple moving average, which has been acting as support here, continuing that climb. I had to put GS on my watch list for the day, my close watch list here. Let's see, let's continue to go down here. Nike, daily chart, not much. Let's see what Walmart's doing. Let's go to our Walmart trade. Looking at that, that's down about $260 today. It's still holding above that blue 20. So, what you guys could see right now on this Walmart daily chart here, let me make this a little bit bigger for you guys to see it. Now, take a look. What you're seeing is that 10 climbing up to that 20. So we could see that candle come all the way down to about 131 support, about another $1.50 from where we're at now. But that's okay, because we have the MACD cross, the 1020 cross is coming up. We got a lot of momentum coming here in Walmart. So I think we're going to hold that 130 support easily. If we get a climb here, next green candle on Walmart, I'm probably going to be adding another, 2,500 to 5,000 in that trade. It's looking good. I like how it's not, really breaking below that 20. Like, for example, you see over here, when she's breaking below, she's breaking well below that 20 and continuing downward. Here, we're holding that 20 SMA. So I like the looks of that Walmart still. A little bit of profit taking, but that's normal after, 2 weeks of climbing. AMC getting a climb today, up about 2.5%. Here's AMC daily chart, 3-month daily, 1336. Bank of America is continuing to climb. Oxy up, holding that 20 nicely on Oxy, Occidental Petroleum. Bank of America is having a nice breakout here, guys. 38.22. If we change this to a today 1-minute chart, you'll see nice breakout happening with Bank of America right now on opening. BP starting its climb. Account is climbing, guys. Let's see. AFK. Apple doesn't look bad there. That's another one that's holding that blue 20. I sold my Apple trade, when was it? Yesterday morning. But she still looks okay. She holds above that blue 20 SMA and starts that climb. If you have that April trade, you know, a break above 125, I'd be adding to it. Sold ours for, what, a 35 or a 37% gain? You got the March 19th Expo. What strike do you have, AFK? Who continues to recommend AstraZeneca vaccine? Says benefits outweigh the risks of people dying. So, 3 people died already. Did you guys hear about the attack, the shooting spree? They were targeting Asians. That was really sad. Pathetic. Yeah.
Free flights from New York JFK to Milan Airport starting on April 2nd. That's DAL.
DAL. Loving those airlines. BP's getting a nice climb. Amgen's climbing. Let's just see if Walmart starts its climb here. Today's just going to be a day of watching our current trades and looking for possible day trades. For any further swing trades, we need to see a confirmed break above resistance now. BP trades up about $110 for the day. Let's see what Walmart's doing here on a today 1 minute. Pretty flat there. BP got a nice climb coming here, guys. $150 gain on the BP trade here, guys. Like I said, just managed trades here today as of right now. After Powell at 2:30, we'll see how the markets are. I might be able to make some really good day trades around 2-ish. That's what I'm hoping for here. Start to see some movers, especially the banks today, guys. Make sure you're watching the banks today. If he raises rates, you know, banks are going to climb. So you got to be watching that over the coming months. I don't think they do something silly like that, but you never know. Efren's sharing some good information in the trade room with you guys. BP trade up 180 bucks for the day.
Popping here on heavy volume now, $2.47.
That's a nice pop there, Jerry. That's not looking bad there, Shovin. Up to about 25. Nice climb off that 10. Baba's getting a little climb there. Nothing major, though. Visa's climbing a little bit. Visa's starting a nice, slow, steady climb here.
2021 on January 1st, we were expecting the first quarter to be up 16%. Now we're up to 22%. Excuse me, 22%. The second quarter there, we are, of course, up 45% on January 1st. Now it's up 50%.
My main focus today is probably going to be on the financials. I'm watching the banks on the charts above here.
On the last several quarters, rising earnings estimates, not falling earnings estimates. That's true for the market.
Good morning, Thomas.
Bob, we'll see a little about this, Sonny. Thank you. There's going to be plenty of time to talk about rates all the way into the 2 p.m. hour. Let's get to Rick Sansali.
Yes, and we should be talking about rates, and hopefully the Fed panel that gives us the ultimate decision through the chairman today will pay more attention to the market's view, even knowing that quantitative easing, they could just tap that accelerator pretty much any time they want. It's pretty brave of the market to challenge that notion. Now, housing today, the February numbers were not good. Okay, each down over 10% starts and firms.
Travago's getting a nice climb here today, guys. Take a look at TRVG. She's breaking out nicely, TRVG. Let me log into the main account here. This is what we're looking at today. This is why I said today's just going to be a pretty slow day. Here's what we're looking at. We are up only about $279 today so far. Guys, Express is starting to take off. EXPR.
9.1 million priced at 24. That's Sandy, November, Charlie Yankee. Today's IPOs. In addition to several SPACs opening today.
Look at Express on a 3-month daily chart here. Really good looking chart. That one's going to be taking off soon. I like the size of the candles there, and I like the volatility. You know, compared to what we were seeing here when we were flat, I mean, look at the body of those candles, how small they are. We're definitely starting to see some volume pick up here and starting to see an increase in volatility on EXPR. So that's going to be great because if the IV climbs, those option premiums are going to climb. If the stock climbs, those option premiums are going to climb. So I like that. Remember, I have the March 26th Express trade. And you guys heard this morning on CNBC, they were talking about the stimulus really helping those retail stocks. So we'll see how they do over the next few days here.
of land in this Ireland freakout. Why take a chance? Let Fisher
Amgen's on the climb here as well, guys. Our account's almost green now for the day in the trade challenge account as well. Getting a nice climb here. BP Express, Amgen's ready to go. Now we just need Walmart to cooperate a little bit. There goes this AMD, AMGN. There goes Amgen, guys. Nice breakout there, 241.30 at the highs of the day right now. 3-month daily on Amgen. I mean, that looks great there. We're now green on Amgen, BP, Express. The only stock that's down right now in the account is Walmart. Guys, Amazon's having a big breakout. Nice climb on Amazon.
RBLX, Roblox, spiking to the high 79.03. Romeo Bravo Lima X-ray, RBLX.
couple of years about ESG and its rising importance in terms of the lens through which many investment managers look at an opportunity. Guys, we talked, and Sir was talking about it earlier as well on his blog that editorial yesterday in USA Today about the former head of sustainable investing at BlackRock saying sustainable investing boils down a little more than marketing IPR spend and disingenuous promises from the investment community. I bring it up because, of course, we talked a lot, Jim, about ExxonMobil of late and the promises that it's making to the investment community in part. And I did have an opportunity this
Let's see what Walmart's doing here. I'm going to look at Walmart above, WMT.
CEO of Xerox. Part of our conversations about
She looks like she's ready to break out. 1020 cross is coming up. MACD just crossed at 948.
we did have an opportunity to talk about whether ExxonMobil is taking this seriously, particularly in light of what you just saw from the U.S. From that editorial. Here's what Ursula Burns has.
In my time at ExxonMobil is probably the most interesting board that I'm on and the one that's the most controversial.
TBU, Charlie Victor uniform, moving higher now. $6.86 on CBU, company out with a press release earlier mentioning a $9.2 million follow-on order from Lockheed Martin. CBU now up 39%, hit a high of 278.
Let's see what that CCIV is doing that you guys were trading.
Now at 657. That's Charlie Victor uniform.
BP trades up $140, Amgen trades up $50, and Express is up $25 now. Walmart's down $200.
Recommended non-drowsy brand. Allegra works 2 times faster than Claritin, and unlike Zyrtec, it's non-drowsy. Say yes to Allegra. And for congestion relief, find Allegra D behind the pharmacy counter.
hiring.
There's that 1020 cross on Walmart. She breaks that 132.50 now. We should see it climb up to about 133.
Try it for free at ZipRecruiter.com/APLs.
Visa's up a buck, 0.45%, 255.70. Just managing current trades here, guys. Afternoon, it's probably going to be a little bit more volatile. We can jump into some day trades.
Different future. Start different at GoDaddy.com.
Hey guys, it's Phoebe Rexa. Make sure you join me on this week's episode of YouTube's Released. This is all leading up to the world premiere of my new music video, Sacrifice. Released. Watch on YouTube.
SOS, Sandy Oscar Sandy, weekly 7.5 call sweep on SOS.
When I first brought her home, she was eating little brown pieces in a bag, and as soon as we brought the farm stock in, she was more active, high quality poops. If I can invest in her health, I think it's worth it.
Visit betterforthem.com.
RAVE, Rave Restaurant Group, shares spiking here now. Romeo Alpha Victor Echo, RAVE.
Don't with BTC unless you see prices going up. It's not tied to inflation, remains exceptionally volatile, making it impractical as a store of wealth or payments mechanism. As such, the main argument they say for holding Bitcoin here is sheer.
Express is still climbing, guys. We're up 50 bucks on Express now.
America has fostered a free and accessible.
Man, I started the gym yesterday. I don't know if I pulled a muscle in my neck, but it's so hard to lift my neck up to see
The internet of the future.
these charts today. I think I was a little too aggressive yesterday.
Smart regulation will strengthen confidence in America's
LPCN,
and promote our values.
Lipocene, Zach Small Cap Research out
Washington can help ensure
with a report.
Micron's looking pretty good there.
$10 price target on Lima Papa Charlie November, LPCN.
Micron's up 1.29% and continuing to break out. Let's take a look at that one there.
Shares spiking to $1.78.
Nice breakout on Micron there, Thomas. Thomas just got some calls. He made a day trade on Micron. That's a solid breakout there. I'd be looking at resistance or a target of about, let's see here, 95 bucks should be an easy target this week.
Do you have a tax strategy? How much of your portfolio can you afford to drop? Learn more about these
BP starting to climb again here, guys. There goes Amazon. Tech starting to break higher. Looking good.
Retirement tips. Our free guide shows you how to make your retirement more secure, even in volatile times like these. Call 1-800-940-1144. We'll also send you a timely bonus for a world upended by uncertainty. Fisher's Stock Market Outlook shows you where we believe this market is going and why. Get the insights you need right now. Call for your 2 free guides. 1-800-940-1144.
IZEA Dash Brand Management joins IZEA Talent Partner Program, India Zulu Echo Alpha, IZEA. ADIL, ADIL founder and chief medical officer, Dr. Bankroll, featured as guest on Black News Channel, Alpha Delta India Lima, ADIL. WWE WrestleMania tickets on sale this Friday, March 19th. That's Whiskey Echo. WWE.
WWE tickets back on sale this weekend, guys.
Stay connected, stay informed with the CNBC app.
Let's take a look at WWE. That one was absolutely slammed during COVID. Let's see, 6-month daily.
And I think Carly is the basic business person. Empowering people who are doing great things. Can't wait.
Might be a good buying opportunity on WWE here, guys.
Yes, absolutely. Very good, Rob. p.m. Eastern. Good Wednesday morning, everybody. Welcome to Squawk on the Street. I'm Carl Quintanilla with David Faber and Morgan Brennan. Looks like the NASDAQ is going to duke it out this morning with interest rates as we see some pronounced weakness in technology ahead of the Fed meeting. Of course, the decision 2 p.m. Eastern time, the presser at 2:30, and that's where our roadmap's going to begin as investors await Powell's key decision later today. Rising.
Let's see. Quantum said MU probably because of a chip shortage, supply and demand.
IPOs this morning. The CEOs of Sun Country Airlines and Olo will join us on the respective.
I agree with you too, Quantum. You know, when interest rates do go up, I think Bitcoin's going to get a big pop there. I haven't been trading cryptos in probably about 3 years. I got to get back into it.
Talk about what we might hear after lunch this afternoon. Hey, Steve.
BP's breaking out though again, up about 0.8% for the day. Let's see. Maxim Teleguz says ASRT. Not my type of stock there, Maxim. Baba's getting a nice climb here still. Nike slow and steady climb. Boeing's looking good. Visa pretty flat. Micron's the best looking chart I'm looking at right now. Thomas, how much are you up on those calls you just picked up as a day trade?
VIAC, Viacom, CBS, hearing a large short, Doug Cass says hearing a large short, has finished covering Viacom. Says it's about $40 overvalued according to my analyst.
Let's see. Kyle Hettinger says, is Amazon a good stock to buy? Let's take a look at Amazon. AMZN.
There's a Viacom off the lows now at 91.36.
If you guys take a look here at Amazon, what we're looking at, Amazon on a today 1 minute looks great. Amazon on a today 1 minute chart looks great. She's having a nice breakout there. 3-month daily chart, Amazon looks ready for a climb. She's squeezing between that 10, 20-day simple moving average. She breaks that, she's easily going to see that 3,200. So if you wanted to pick something up for the April Expo on Amazon, you could easily pick up an at the money or slight out of the money strike call. Let's take a look at the option chain, see what they're going for.
A year ago, now the worry is inflation. They say worriers are going to worry. And in the end, what they say, we're setting a bull market for equities. That's right.
So Amazon, I'd be looking at the April 16th. You could look at that 3,100 strike going for about $100. So that's going to cost you 10 grand for a single contract. That's insane. Let's see. There must be Amazon earnings coming up soon. Let's take a look. Amazon earnings on the 28th.
Legitimately anticipating an upward trend in inflation that the Fed is not going to attempt to get in the way of it. Has told us
April 28th. She's probably going to have a nice climb going up to that. Now watch, if you go to the April 30th Expo, watch what that 3,100 is going to cost. 3,100 is now $150, $15,000 a contract. I'd rather do the April 16th and have that climb up to that 32 or 3,300, which I think she should easily get up to. So Kyle, you're asking if is Amazon a good stock to buy? Absolutely. I'd be trading that up, to 3,200. Your stop on that's going to be a tight stop of, I'd say 30.35. 30.35. First candle below that yellow 10 or support right here, right around 30.40. But I'd use 30.35 as a stop there on Amazon. It's a nice setup there, nice chart. Now, if you wanted a cheaper trade there, Kyle, this is what I would personally recommend. April 16th. And you know what? Ephraim, we might do this as a paycheck trade. Buy to open, sell to open, a vertical call spread. That's in the money. Maybe we could do slight out of the money here. Let's see. She's going to go up to that 3,200. Let's see what 31.95, 3,200 vertical spread's going for. $1.85, $1.45, dollar. Well, what's she at here? Anywhere between the bid and the ask. See, you're seeing such a big spread between the bid and the ask here. That's why you're seeing this fluctuate from the bid and the ask, and that midpoint is changing drastically. But if you're able to pick that up for $1.95, $1.70 to be worth $5, that's a no-brainer right there. That's a really nice setup there for the April 16th Expo. What do you think? I think we're gonna do a trade challenge trade on the, not a trade challenge trade, a paycheck trade on this in the afternoon here after we see what's going on with the interest rates and Powell here. You know, so depending on what he says this afternoon, we're probably gonna make a trade on this. There's going to be good rotation there on quad witching. We usually see some good moves leading up to it, so we'll see. Thomas is up 83% with a GE April 16, 13 strike call. Nice job, Thomas. Someone was asking about that the other day there. We were talking about holding on to it or adding to it. Remember someone was asking about that in the trade room? It was right on either this candle here on March 11th or on the 12th. Someone asked me about GE. I said it looked like a good buying opportunity. She's still breaking higher. I'd be looking at 14 bucks easily on that. I mean, if you're looking at a longer term trade on GE there, Thomas, you know, I definitely think that she's going to be back at 20 bucks a share within the next year or so. No question about it. Especially with their airplane engines, you know. I mean, they're doing incredible business with that. It's picking up again. Take a look at Amazon here. Amazon's looking good, starting that climb again. Let's see here. Yeah, we're up about 900 bucks for the day here, team. We were up 279 before. Right now, we are up about 900 for the day. Trivago, Visa, Express, CCL. Disney's still not doing much yet, but like I said, July 16th Expo on Disney. We're going to be adding to that trade on that next breakout. I think by March 26th, we should see Amgen at our target. Guys, BP's taking off. We're almost up $200 on our BP trade now for the day in the trade challenge account. Nice climb on BP. Nice continued break it on BP. Now up 180 on the BP trade for the day.
From the federal level, the extension around PPP loans and the offerings there, I mean, given the fact that we're, almost a year into that program and the extensions on that program, how would you compare it now versus last year? Are we operating smoothly? Are small businesses that are applying able to get what they need?
If things go well in the afternoon with Powell, I think we're going to see a nice climb Dow is up about 18, 19 points now. Nasdaq's climbing from the lows, only down about 102 points now after being down about 150 earlier on. BP still climbing. Walmart looks like it wants to start to break out here. I'm watching that. AMC 1334. GE still climbing up 1.71% on the day. Let's see. Micron is still climbing there. Micron is looking great there, Thomas. He's got to be up at least. You got to be up at least, what, 50% on Micron if you got in on that earlier. Guys, our Express trade just turned green, team. Express trade is taking off. EXPR. Hurry up, take a look at that one. There's definitely some buyers coming in Express. Our options just turned green. We're up $100 for the day on Express. The March 26th. $4.50 strike call. Bid of 80, ask of 85. We paid 80. Last traded at 75. I think we're going to see a lot more volume start to come in with Express, Trivago, some retail names. You know what? I was just talking to my buddy about silver and gold, Maxim. Let's see. The other day, Jeff Walker was saying that he thinks gold's going to hit $2,000 an ounce by the end of the year. She's starting to climb off the lows there. If she climbs above, I should put in alert. She climbs above 163.50 to alert me. I'm going to do that just in case we start to break out there, because GLD options are dirt cheap. That's the Spider ETF. So it's really, really cheap. There's a lot of volume that comes into it. It's easy to trade, tight spreads. So it's a good one to keep an eye on. Let's see, 163.50. She breaks above that, I want to be known. Alrighty, okay. There we go, that is set. So here's the stocks we have alert set on. Amazon, this one was not hit here, so I don't know why that's still there. But Delta, BP, Amazon, GLD, QCOM. BP is still climbing at the highs of the day now, guys. Big breakout on BP.
Still to come this morning, we're watching two IPOs today. One will be Sun Country Airlines making its debut at the NASDAQ. CEO Greg
We are having a good day now, guys. Take a look. We were up $897.50 just about 5 minutes ago when I posted this. We are climbing, and the account's climbing here. Take a look what we're up now. Nice day so far. Up $1,640.50 for the day. Being fueled by Trivago mostly here. FedEx is starting to climb, though, looking good. Let's see, FedEx. FedEx at 261.02. EXPR's taking off. CCL's just starting. Guys, you guys taking a look at Baidu? Look at Baidu here, guys. Big breakout on Baidu. BIDU. Look at Baidu breaking out here, team. 1020 cross. MACD's already crossed. Big breakout on Baidu. I'd be looking at this for a day trade if you guys are interested. Baidu, you could be looking at the 265 strike call going for 570 a contract. 265 strike call, 570, 565 now. That's what I'd be looking at for a day trade if you wanted to. Let's take a look at CCL. CCL's up about 0.5% for the day. 3-month daily chart holding above that 10. TRVG, Trivago, getting a nice climb there, up about 14 cents, up 3% today, up 5% now, almost 6% on Trivago shares. Nice breakout. At the highs of the day on Trivago now. So nice gain there, up $1,640 now for the day. And guys, our trade challenge account just turned green for the day. BP's up $210, Express up $200, and our Amgen trade's only down 25 bucks. Walmart down 280, leaving the account up now, green for the day, in the TC trade challenge account up 20 bucks. And then the main account there up to 1,600. Walmart's starting to break out here, guys. Take a look. This is what I mean about being disciplined this morning. Take a look. Today, 1-minute chart. We're just starting to get that climb now on Walmart. We're just starting to get that climb on Amgen here. Amgen's climbing. Nice breakout on Amgen. Amgen trades almost green. We're now up 100 bucks in the trade challenge account and up almost 2,000 in the main account here. Amgen's breaking out nicely, 241 a share. Take a look at BP. BP is getting a nice breakout at the highs of the day. EXPR looking good there. Nice slow steady climb on Express. Like what we're seeing here, guys. Now, if you guys were looking at that Baidu trade before, she breaks that 265. She's going to have that next breakout there. I'm watching Walmart there. I'd love to see that breakout there on Walmart. I think we're going to see a nice run this afternoon, guys, from what I'm seeing. Stimulus is in. I think tomorrow's going to be a big green day for the markets. NASDAQ now up, or I'm sorry, Dow's now up 34 points. NASDAQ's only down 82 points now. Before we were down 105, we're now down 83. So markets are continuing to climb here. Holding on to the trades, there goes Walmart starting to climb. Now up $170 in the trade challenge account. Let's see what we're up in the main account. Nice gains. $1,500 gain on Trivago today. TRVG is really on the run. Take a look at Trivago there going off, guys. It's a cheap stock. The options on it are dirt cheap as well. It's a nice opportunity for you guys. Now I'd just like to see Walmart take off this afternoon. If we can end the day above 134 on Walmart, I'd be a happy camper, and it's possible. There goes Trivago again, guys. Another big breakout. Trivago, 490, 491.
So we're coming out of this crisis with a better balance sheet, and we're also able to do some fleet deals during the crisis that were really helpful. So our cost structure is better, our balance sheet is better. We're really well positioned to take
Stimulus checks went into accounts today, Savage. Trivago still on the run there, guys. Big breakout on Trivago.
So Florida's really popular right now. One of the things that's lagging behind is Mexico and the Caribbean due to
Airline CEOs on CNBC now saying that Florida is a really popular place for people to go.
Arizona and Las Vegas.
NYSE, my side was
I'm curious about the cargo piece of the puzzle for you. I mean, we've been hearing about and talking about these elevated shipping rates right now. In fact, the capacity is so constrained. What has that meant in terms of the
There goes Trivago again.
to move some of those goods around the country, around the world over the past year, and how much
Walmart's getting a nice climb there, guys. 132.25 on Walmart, just getting up to that red 50-day simple moving average now.
Flying hours are done on cargo
my side is everything $11.29.
dedicated cargo aircraft in our fleet today. We don't have any immediate plans to grow that, and the real value of that business is the stability it gives us. Because leisure customers
Baird maintains outperform on CrowdStrike holding. Raises price target at 235. I don't like that CrowdStrike.
Business line and cargo is really
We're green in all the accounts today, guys. We are looking good. I think we're just going to continue that nice, slow, steady climb here going up to that 2 o'clock.
They spent a lot of their cash flow on buybacks prior to the pandemic.
Amgen's in the green.
They got a lot of government aid. I wonder if you think airline executives, and you've been at many carriers, think of the balance sheet differently now. If they think of rainy day funds differently now.
$39 per share.
I hope so. I mean, we're certainly in growth mode here. So when we think about the balance sheet, we're going to be very conservative because it's really about not having a lot of fixed obligations, so we can be really flexible. And so, we run the business very conservatively. But yeah, I think there's going to be a change in the attitude of C-suites across the industry as they think about risk.
Apollo controls this company. I think it's going to be about 70+% of the vote. Have they given any expectations in terms of their plans to sell down over time? Obviously, they're a private equity fund. That's what they're in business to do.
Yeah, they feel really good about the investment, obviously, and they didn't sell any at the IPO, importantly, because it was an all primary shares IPO. So they remain bullish, and I think they're going to be opportunistic about how they get out of it and when.
Yeah. Well, we'll be watching Jude, and we'll wait for the open as well. Congrats on the listing.
Thanks, guys. Really appreciate it.
FDRX chart-in has a buy rating of $105 price target.
Nice breakout on Amgen there, guys.
201 success and AD implies $190.
Guys, take a look at Walmart. First candle above that red 50 on WMT. There goes Walmart starting to climb.
The company restated some of its financial results from 2018 and 2019 in addition to a few recent quarterly filings. That stock's down 15% right now. Leadership saying it saw errors in accounting, but no misconduct. So the stock is still up over 1,000% from a year ago. Squawk on the street will be right back.
Nice breakout on Walmart there, guys.
Sponsored by Invesco QQQ, Invesco Distributors Inc.
Baidu looks ready to climb again.
Yeah, this is Gary. I invested in Invesco QQQ, the fund that invests in the innovations of the NASDAQ 100, like this artificial intelligent art system.
There goes Baidu, guys. Breaking that 265. She should get a nice climb now. Starting to see a nice climb in the markets. There goes Baidu.
Demand digital currencies. Unlock the potential of Bitcoin with Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, the world's largest Bitcoin investment vehicle. Go digital. Go Grayscale.
Chart-in above the price target
At
from
Southern New Hampshire
150 to
University,
105.
we're committed to making college more accessible by making it more affordable.
Worth up to
That's why we're keeping
$829
our
per
tuition
share.
the same through the year 2021.
I knew SNHU was the place for me when I saw how affordable it was. I ran to my husband with my computer and I said, look, we can do this.
Take advantage of some of the lowest online tuition rates in the nation. Find your degree at snhu.edu.
I knew about the tremors, but when I started seeing things, I didn't know what was happening, so I kept it in.
I started believing things that weren't true. I knew something was wrong, but I didn't say a word. During the course of my
SAVA,
disease,
Solid
50%
Sciences,
of people
Travago's starting to break that 10 again.
patients were
India Alpha, Victor Alpha.
Excuse me.
medicine proven to significantly reduce hallucinations.
Yeah, Baba and Baidu are looking good. Guys, look at that candle on Walmart there. Holy smokes. That was a big candle on Walmart, guys. There goes Walmart.
It is not for treating symptoms unrelated to Parkinson's disease. Nuplazid can cause changes in heart rhythm and should not be taken.
There was that 1020 cross. She's now in breakout momentum. Could be looking for that 132.75 or 133 by end of day.
We spoke up and it made all the difference. Ask your healthcare provider about Nuplazid.
Quantum, I'll tell you something right now. Quantum just said, has anyone heard of Yala? Y-A-L-A. He said it is the TikTok for Africa. I'm telling you, I don't think Africa is going to make too much money on Yalla. So, not one I'd be interested in. Look at Walmart taking off there. I don't think that Yalla is going to be the next billion-dollar company in Africa. Walmart's taking off nicely there, guys. Look at that breakout on Walmart.
We've been talking all morning about the impact of higher rates on technology. Take a look at some of the NASDAQ 100 laggards this morning. You see some high PE names in the list.
Amgen's taking off there, too. Everything's on the climb. Guys, Trivago's near the highs of the day, too. Tyler said they barely have clean water to drink.
Notifications from Fidelity keep you tuned in all day long. So when something happens that could affect your portfolio, you can act quickly. That's Decision Tech. Only
Guys, Trivago's having a big run. Take a look at Trivago quick. Walmart looks amazing, but Trivago's at new highs of the day. Anyone in Trivago shares still? I got quite a bit of those. Guys, look at what we're up today. We were up $1,640.50. Currently, with the way the market's trending, we are now up $2,100. Nice gain today. $2,100, up $1,650 on Trivago, $312 on Visa. FedEx is taking off there. FedEx nearing $263. Express, CCL's not doing anything. Guys, there goes Walmart again. Big breakout on Walmart. We got those Walmart calls. Looking good.
Welcome back. I'm Rahel Solomon, and here is your CNBC COVID update at this hour. During an interview with Good Morning America, President Joe Biden warned Americans that we may not meet his goal of relaxed COVID-19 restrictions if people do not continue to take precautions.
First of all, I won't even be able to meet the July 4th deadline unless people listen, wear masks, wash their hands, and socially distance, because not everyone by July 4th will have been vaccinated.
European Union leaders have presented a plan that will allow its 450 million
Amgen at the highs again of the day. Look at Baidu. Baidu, Baba.
will require travelers to either show proof of vaccination, a recent negative test, or that they have recovered from COVID-19. And residents of a small town in Siberia have received their first shots of Russia's coronavirus vaccine.
Well, Baba's looking great there. Micron's still breaking out. Where's Thomas at? She got all the way up to 94.
The train will then make a return trip for 3 weeks to
95 by the end of today, I'm guessing.
You're now up to date. David, I'll send it back to you.
Close up there. Thank you.
Crude stocks
Let's turn over to the
up 2.4 million.
Amgen's looking good there, Michael. Are you in that trade?
9.6 million versus a build of 2.964 million expected.
That's going to be a big gain on Amgen. I'm telling you guys. We have the April 16th Expo. Don't sell that early and be disciplined with that trade. Here's Amgen, 3-month daily chart. That's what we're looking at. Amgen's still climbing.
bottom low close was 1.63. That sound familiar? That's currently below yield close.
Crude is moving lower now.
The full taper yet. That's why I wanted to bring this up. It's always amazing to me how human behavior and some of these levels are so repetitious. Not only that, the big question mark. Where did the consolidation first occur?
Market's pulling back here a bit, guys. Couple candles on that news.
The 220s. So my feeling would be that if you want to know the next area to pay close attention to in treasury yields, everyone's going to be looking at 2%. I couldn't agree more. It's big, it's psychological, and a nice round number. And probably we get there and we pull back a bit. But think about how much damage gets done when you go up to a little bit more of the 220 and really get many traders off sides. I like to take those long views. Now, let's continue with this topic of back to the taper. And as I'm talking, consider this. Look at a chart.
Amgen is looking great there, guys. It's going to be a nice run. Walmart's just slowly... There we go. There's a new breakout on Walmart, guys. New highs of the day on Walmart. Not new highs of the day. New highs of the breakout momentum cycle here, I should say. I just got a call from a pharmacist in Pennsylvania there. He said they just got 1,800 vaccines in, and, they're just waiting on some patients here. They said they are booked. Guys, Amgen is in the green. We're up 110 bucks on our Amgen trade for the day. Amgen is really breaking out here. Nice break on Amgen, guys. And she is still climbing. Walmart's climbing nicely, only down about 0.5% now. Now I'd like to see that Express take off again. We're looking good. Looking good. Continued breakout on Amgen, guys. Walmart's starting to climb off that 10. See Amgen have that next run here. You see how yesterday we closed out the Apple trade for a gain? Now we got a gain on our Amgen trade. And then the longer term expos like BP and whatnot there, you let them do their things here. There goes Amgen again. So, Amgen's probably going to be that one that hits that target the soonest. Just by looking at that 3-month daily, she's going to be hitting our target. I said by, the 26th here. But, I really think by, the 22nd, we're going to be at our target. She's in breakout momentum, clear breakout momentum. I think she's going to be much higher by the end of today. We might even see 250 by the end of this week on Amgen. So I really like that setup. We're up over 5% on Amgen now overall. 120 bucks for the day, up 135 for the day now on Amgen, up 7% on the Amgen trade. Beautiful chart there on Amgen.
To a small extent, though, there is, Rosie. Almost all of the automakers, those who are more impacted than others. And take, for example, Hyundai says it's in pretty good shape right now in terms of its production in North America, versus Honda, which will have to do some suspension of production next week. I mean, they are
Still running higher here on Amgen, guys.
high volume, high demand vehicles. So as much as possible, they're saying, okay, what are we making that is on the lower end, not really selling as well? And understand when it is selling, we're going to de-emphasize that and target our chips for the higher end model. So there is slight benefit.
Big breakout on Amgen, guys.
Sure, thank you. Very well. As we head to break, two of 2021's high flyers. I've been focused on these for weeks now, of course. At its heights yesterday, Blackhouse up over 160%. For the year,
9% gain on Amgen.
it's reversing, but let's put it all in perspective. Take a look at the charts and see, of course, how much both of these stocks have been up. Many have surely been along the way, only to suffer enormous pain, if any are left. Today, perhaps feeling a tiny, tiny bit better as they move to valuations less of a certain environment. Good health, not seen a very very long time. There's a lot more stuff in the streets straight ahead. Stay with us.
Stephen Powers, are you live with us? You guys always messaging me on my Facebook, but you guys can message in the trade room or on the YouTube chat here. Sometimes I'm not always on Facebook, so I won't see it. But Stephen, if you're with me, let me know. Oh, I didn't see it in the trade room there, Stephen. Alrighty, so Stephen says, let's see here. How many contracts do you have, Stephen? Well, that's why you have one. I have two. I'm up 130. How much are you up on that one today? What's your price on that? Oh, you got a different trade though too on Amgen. I think you said you got the March Expo. Yeah, you got the March 19, 240, 250. What'd you pay for that? $1.59? So you need that at what? You need that at $4 basically to 244 to make some money there. So you know you're gonna be seeing gains there once she breaks above that 243. I mean you're in the green on that now, but you're really gonna start to see that take off there once you break that 243 today. We got an 8% gain on our Amgen trade. That is looking good. Looks like it might start to pull back here a little bit here on Amgen. Big climb though, little profit takings expected. Travago's getting a climb here off the lows now. It's like a little rotation.
JWEL, Dow Global shares opening for trade at $8.60, price at $7 per share. That's JWEL, previously Equinita.
Nice climb on Travago here, guys. TRVG.
LPCN, look to see, moving higher again now, Lima profits early November. JWEL, IPO, circuit breaker behind $10.05. Relatively low volume in JWEL, halted running circuit breaker at $10.05 now. NBRV, Nebriva shares moving here $2.32 on volume. November Bravo Romeo Victor, high of $3.13. Earlier in pre-market. That's NBRV.
Amgen looks like that's taken off again here. There we go. Amgen breaking out again.
One on light volume.
9% gain on Amgen, guys. Michael Koken up 15% on that. Nice job, Michael.
So what we've seen over time is some consolidation on the broader player, but also a proliferation of different demand channels. So we see the big delivery marketplaces, the players like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Postmates are great partners of ours. But we also have a new breed of what we call affiliate network affiliates. And these are companies like Google entering into the space with Google Food Ordering to help its customers find what they want to find on Google, be that through search or Google Maps, and then place an order from there. And then regionally and locally, there are a lot of different consumer marketplaces that are springing up. Olo serves as an open platform. We want to work with all of the different players in terms of building out relationships with over 100 different partners. And we're excited about it.
Trivago just got a huge candle there. TRVG. Watching that on the screen above. Huge green candle there on TRVG, 484.
That's interesting. I was going to ask you, about the software itself. I mean, the ordering part, as a layperson, kind of sounds simple. Once you get it, it makes sense. But are there things that you think the software will be able to do in 5 years that at this point are still a dream?
Well, I think we have been dreaming up new use cases at Olo since COVID-19 hit and since our customers came to us and we together agreed, let's tear up the product roadmap and create a new one that makes sense for this era. So things like curbside pickup and enhancing that experience, things like drive-through pickup, things like socially distanced delivery where consumers are receiving their order without actually being face-to-face with the delivery driver. Those have become important. Also, things I mentioned like QR code ordering at the table have become very important. We just believe that there are many different use cases for the platform. At the core of it, it is a simple idea, but it's worth noting that e-commerce for restaurants is so much more complex than e-commerce for mobile. This is not a list of skills. Think about all the layers you need to modify, customize, substitute
ELDR, Velodyne, Minor, Claim Trial, Victor Lima, Delta Romeo.
surface for the customers and tell the core interface in a way that's hard-coded to apply with the restaurant tools.
Amgen is still climbing here, guys. AMGN. There she goes, nearing the highs of the day again on Amgen. Got nice profits on Amgen, BP today.
We'll watch you guys closely. Kate, of course, as always, our thanks to you. We'll take a short break here. Stock and Money starts in a moment.
At Fidelity, you get personalized wealth planning and unmatched overall value. Together with a dedicated advisor, you make a plan that can adjust as your life changes, with access to tax-smart investing strategies that help you keep more of what you earn. And with brokerage accounts, you see what you pay before you trade. Personalized advice, unmatched value. At Fidelity, you can have both.
Oh, there's breaking news, guys. Powell's no longer speaking today. Instead, he's speaking at 11:55 a.m. tomorrow. Breaking news, Efren. You want to send that out on the app alert. Breaking news, Powell no longer speaking today. Instead, 11:55 a.m. tomorrow.
Velodyne, Minor in their 10K filing says we have identified a material weakness.
Alrighty, guys, we are at 11 o'clock now, so we are going to get off here. We're going to be live again at 2:30. Amgen is now up 11%, guys. We're up 11% on our Amgen trade. We're up 110 bucks on the BP trade today. Trivago trades up big. We got green on both accounts here today. If you guys want to use your stimulus money and come join us, you guys could go to breakingchartalerts.com and then go to join now membership pricing plans, and you guys could use promo code challenge here to save 30% off our yearly membership. Challenge, if you guys take a look here, if you type in challenge all caps and then click sign up on the Elite Pro Trader, it'll bring the price down to $17.50 for the year. You can't beat that. Come join us, guys. If you join us now, go to live trading, go down to live trade room. We'll be in there from now until 2:30. And then if you want to join us on the live afternoon session, once we send out the app alert that we're live, you could go on live afternoon trading, and that'll take you right here to our Zoom meeting, and we'll update the password every day right here on Zoom. So afternoon trading, once you get the app alert that we're live for the pro members and the elite members, you could then go onto the website, live trading, and join us here with using that password code and the link there. Or you could go in the trade room and we'll post the link in there as well. Alrighty, guys, have a great day. Nice start to the morning. It was nice being patient and disciplined this morning. Coming off those lows was a nice thing to see. So I'm expecting to see a continued climb today as the stimulus hits the accounts, and more people are going to be investing into the market here. So definitely going to see a supply-demand issue here, and that should cause stocks to continue to climb. See what happens over the next few days, but we are looking good here, team. Amgen's going to be hitting our target the soonest, I think. So I think Amgen within the next week is going to hit our target profit area. We have the April 16, 245 call. So if we hit that, by the 23rd there, we're going to have some massive gains on our trade there, 50% plus on the Amgen trade. So that's what we're going to be looking for here. We'll look for some possible day trades in the afternoon. But as far as swing trades go, guys, this is not the time to be making swing trades. Right now the markets are volatile, choppy, and we are kind of stagnant here before we have that next breakout. So right now, capitalize on day trades if you see the opportunity, and manage your current trades. That's the most important thing I can tell you guys right now. Manage the current trades. You see how we're up 500% on the trade challenge account. What we got to do is manage the current trades and then look for good day trade setups. And then once we start to either get that breakout or breakdown, we're looking at some more swing trades. Alrighty, guys, have a great afternoon, and stay safe. God bless, and I will see you guys in the afternoon. And I'll see you guys that are joining us in the trade room. Take care, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.